Here we're going to look at some of the specifics in regards to adding carbon dioxide to a hydroponic grow setup. Specifically, carbon dioxide should not be added to the water. This can adjust the pH, which can affect nutrient availability to the plants. Roots need to respire, so they need to actually consume oxygen, and they will actually give off carbon dioxide themselves. So when we're talking about carbon dioxide enrichment for hydroponics, it is not directly relating to the aquatic or the water or nutrient-based environment. Should be added to the growing environment, as this can be beneficial, not to the water again. With a great control over conditions of the grower, this is a possibility to further maximize plant productivity in addition to the introduction of carbon dioxide enrichment. We want to make sure that our nutrients are all lined out where they need to be. We're maintaining a good pH, temperature, and EC, or parts per million. We want to make sure also our lighting is maximized. We're getting a good PAR level to the plants. Our timers and everything's functioning properly, both for our hydroponic pumps and also our lighting. And also I put a picture here of our ventilation. So if we're venting the area, we want to make sure we have a properly matched size fan for our grow operation. If we oversize the fan, we could be pulling out the carbon dioxide that we're going to be carefully and precisely adding to our operation. So is it worth it? Well, in one word, yes, if you're maximizing other conditions. So keep in mind that if you're just going to add CO2 to get bigger yields, that may not be the case. You've got to make sure your lighting is maximized, got to make sure your nutrients are all dialed in, everything else is going well. This is one way to help increase or lift the potential maximum yield. Tank system can be used. If you are using a generator, they'll produce heat, so keep that in mind. A lot of times with hydroponics, there's enough other pumps running that may also generate heat. Generators will also produce other gases as a byproduct. This is, again, can also increase the moisture, which may be something you do not want to increase anymore in a hydroponic setup. So again, keep in mind that carbon dioxide is worth it. Don't add it to the water, and make sure you're maximizing all your other conditions, and your venting system is not overly sized, so you're not pulling out the vital carbon dioxide. Use a controller, not a timer, and you should be able to see some benefit with adding carbon dioxide, allowing your plants to more efficiently produce sugars.